station on Space to Ground.
Welcome to Space to Ground, your weekly look at what's happening on board the International Space Station. I'm Dan Hewitt. November 2nd marked a huge milestone for human spaceflight. 15 straight years of people living and working in space every single day aboard the station. That's 5,478 days since Expedition 1 arrived back in the year 2000. Since then, 220 people have been to the station, conducting more than 1,700 experiments, performing more than 180 spacewalks, and eating over 26,500 meals. That's a lot of freeze-dried shrimp. 2 NASA astronauts are at it again with their second spacewalk in as many weeks. Scott Kelly and Kjell Lindgren are heading outside on November 6th to reconfigure part of the station's cooling system that was altered during a spacewalk back in 2012. They spent the week getting everything ready and will spend about 6.5 hours working in the vacuum of space. This week's question is from Kimberly, who wants to know what the temperature is inside a spacesuit while spacewalking. Well, as I found out last week, without the right equipment, it can get pretty hot. Spacewalking astronauts wear something called the liquid cooling and ventilation garment, which circulates cold water between 25 and 55 degrees Fahrenheit around their bodies. They also have air conditioning in the helmet blowing at 60 degrees. So when that cooling is combined with the heat from their bodies, the inside of the suit can be adjusted to a comfortable room temperature. Keep sending us your questions and comments using the hashtag #SpaceToGround. We'll see you next week.